Tesla screen for 2015 Toyota Fortuner unboxing displaying. Hi everyone, today I will open a large screen car machine for you. This is the shipping packaging, and you can see that it is very thick. Wow, this is a product, it's very cool. The foam elasticity below is good, which is a good protection product. Let's take a look. It has 2 sets of wires. This should be its power cord. Agreement box. This is its original car USB. Network antenna. GPS antenna. This is its RCA antenna. Video adapter cable. USB cable. All the wires are here. This is our protagonist. It can be seen that it has a separate key design, which is very convenient. Let's take a look at the details on the back. Surprisingly, the workmanship details are very good and full of texture. Let's turn it on and test it. Please note that this is a test cable, and your power cord is also plugged in here. This is the interface where it is turned on. We can see a lot of functions when we click it. Let's take a look at its version. Wow, the configuration is very high. Of course, it can not only control the air conditioner with buttons, but also control it with screen. Let's take a look at its entertainment function. It allows us to experience radio, music and video on the car. Of course, it supports picture-in-picture. Even if you return to the main page, you can watch videos. If you want to use the car to search for information, you can connect to Wi-Fi, then go into the browser and enter the keywords you want. This is its very practical Bluetooth function. We just need to match it on the mobile phone. You can make phone calls, listen to the music off your mobile phone, and check your latest contacts. Of course, with Bluetooth, you can also connect to wireless Carplay. You can also use the phone here. There is also a very good function here, which is to navigate the area. You can go anywhere without getting lost. Almost forgot that this car has a great tuning function, which you can make it privately. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.